Various smart locks work well with sliding doors, and our top 7 picks are from Gateman, Ultraloq, Coolus, Luston, Babesia, and Nyore. Some offer more than app features, even biometrics, while others have incredible functionality. Overall, each model has unique features that fortify your home's security, leaving you and your family, loved ones, at peace over your home's security. In this video, I'm going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best smart locks for sliding doors in 2024 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Ultraloq UL3 BT 2nd Gen Smart Lock. If you desire a secure and versatile smart door lock for your slide doors, you should buy the Ultraloq UL3 BT. It offers a 5-in-1 keyless entry and supports convenience and use regardless of distance from your home. Unlike some smart locks' fingerprint that unlocks for false IDs, the Ultraloq has a self-learning fingerprint algorithm that is lightning fast and accurate. It also provides an anti-peep keypad for safety purposes from keen eyes, ready to intrude on your privacy. Moreover, the smartphone control allows you to see a log of all users who had access and what they did. Pros: it lets you unlock your door by shaking your phone without needing a UTech app. It gives temporary access to service people through a code or e-key for precise times. The auto lock option allows you to set a time for an automatic lock. It eliminates the worries of forgetting or feeling lazy to lock the doors at nightfall. The external lock for protection against dust and harsh weather is brilliant. It encourages DIY installation. Cons: the Shake to Unlock feature is only accessible in Androids. Number 2. Derum Biometric Smart Lock. Wi-Fi. Smart Lock, Derum Biometric Fingerprint, Keyless Entry Door Locks with Handle, Digital Electronic Keypad Door Lock, App Control, Auto Lock, Front Door, Home Office, Airbnb, Gateway included. This smart sliding door lock is a fantastic choice for all accommodations, especially Airbnb or rental homes. It supports code sharing and 5 ways of unlocking, including fingerprints, keys, fobs, smartphones, and codes. It's also easy to install, which is admirable, and guarantees customer satisfaction with its free app, warranty, and customer support. Previous customers recommend buying this lock if you desire the best service. Pros: it offers an anti-peeping password. It supports using temporary codes for guests, who will be erased after the use. It has a hidden keyhole you can use in emergencies. It supports using a power bank and is durable. You can enable the auto lock feature for a passage mode until the set time elapses. Number 3. Coolus Fingerprint Lock. The Coolus Fingerprint Smart Lock for sliding doors is a 4-in-1 keyless entry that uses a fingerprint, a PIN code, a backup key, and a Bluetooth Dock app. These features work well to offer you and your guests temporary or permanent access as you wish. Above all, these smart locks offer different options: auto relock, long-time open passage mode, temporary visitor mode for guests spending a few days with you, 2-people combination mode for partners or roommates. Both unlocking features are required and could be fingerprint plus fingerprint, fingerprint plus passcode, or passcode plus passcode. Also, it works through a Smart Life app that unlocks using Bluetooth connectivity. This app allows you to add users, manage fingerprint and user authorization, unlock the sliding door, manage battery power, etc. 4-in-1 Smart Lock. Fingerprint. You can set up a fingerprint as it provides quicker unlocking and saves over 100 biometrics. 4-in-1 Smart Lock. Passcode. What I like: it is very convenient. It is durable and a good option for DIY installation enthusiasts. The 4 AA batteries last as long as a year before requiring replacement. It offers an anti-peeping password option. that allows you to add random digits before and after the correct one. Coolest Smart Lock offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and free lifetime support. It also has a free lifetime technical subscription before buying and installing. These protocols help to verify that the door measurements and installations align with your requirements. What I dislike: it's not an ideal choice for outdoor locks due to moisture exposure, which may affect the fingerprint and passcode panel. Number 4. Olumat Smart Door Lock. This sliding door smart lock offers different methods of unlocking your slide door through fingerprints, passcodes, an app, fobs, or keys. And even if you misplace your keys or lock yourself out, the auto lock enabled will save you. Top features: it gives active feedback on your sliding door's status when locked, unlocked, or running on a low battery. It has an IP65 feature providing dust, water-resistant protection from outdoor moisture to your installed smart door lock. It is truly the best option for all weather types. If you miss the low battery alert, it unlocks using a portable charger during emergencies. It provides an anti-peep keypad option that protects you from prying eyes. A Wi-Fi gateway alerts you anytime during any unauthorized access breach. Also, with the Wi-Fi gateway, you can control the door to lock or unlock using Alexa. Pros: simple installation that requires no additional drilling. Remote control using Wi-Fi. Multiple uses allowed for home, commercial, and rental purposes. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Cons: no inbuilt Wi-Fi, hence you need to make an additional purchase. Users complained about frequent fingerprint sensor malfunctions that often fail, requiring a manual override. Number 5. Nyore Smart Door Lock. Nyore smart locks are exceptional as they have an extended length that fits in doors with longer door holes that small sets can't entirely cover. They're a 7-in-1 lock featuring fingerprints, a smartphone app, passcodes, IC cards, mechanical keys, Wi-Fi, and Alexa, Google Assistant's voice control. Pros: the app offers complete control to grant and revoke access and see the logs of users and how they came in. It offers timed access codes to visitors. It supports auto lock and privacy mode. It has an emergency port and backup keys for power failure. Its IP66 offers waterproofing properties, making it safe under harsh conditions. It has an anti-peeping keypad and manual lock. Cons: it requires a Wi-Fi gateway, which is a separate purchase. It requires batteries but doesn't come with any. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.